This video is aimed at Level 3 within Positive Behaviour Support for individuals with intensive support needs. My name is Coach Carnall. Okay, so we're inside a Positive Behaviour Support plan. It may read, I agree with this plan and staff to follow the plan in my best interests. Okay, the next section, it's all about me. This is about the person, their interests, hobbies, jobs. The person themselves are the ones that know more about them than you do. So give ownership. Oh, and hold on. Jill, where's the picture?
Oh yes, sorry, this is the best I can find.
Let's plan! Using the PBS plan found in our resources, shouting, increased swearing, certain stimming, these are all signs that should be in the plan. Of this is, if you see an early warning sign, you switch strategies. Complete the behaviours, triggers and early warning signs columns in the diagnosis and medical information. Please do not just put the name of the diagnosis. We need to give further description. Let's take a look at the details why. Whilst assisting him with personal care, John replies he has brushed his teeth already. If the information surrounding John's diagnosis had been included in the plan, the carer would have been more informed around John's confabulation and what this meant regarding communication. All of these examples could be linked to the medication side effects and should have been identified during the previous functional analysis. Complete the diagnosis column, including a description of how this affects a person's communication and well-being. Sensitive to sight, sound, taste, touch or smell. Hypo means they like it and want more. And remember, there may be a primary and a secondary need, and the plan would address both. Secondary de-escalation, 20% of the plan, and tertiary reactive, 10% of the plan. But remember, tertiary reactive strategies do not teach. That's why 70% of the support plan is primary proactive. The primary proactive column is where you're going to coach the person that they can meet their needs without the behaviours that challenge. Strategies may include social stories, consequence, event, maybe personal care, transport or shopping, demands. All of these, the aim is to return the person back to baseline. Remember, you can pause the film at any time to discuss each strategy before committing to a column. Pause the film now to complete your columns. When ready, press play to continue. Time out! Here are your answers for the primary proactive column. Welcome back! How did you do on the knowledge check? Must read and sign the circle of commitment to say they will follow the plan in the best interests of the individual. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all again on another Behaviour Coach interactive training film.